Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to our courses Bahasa Inggris for Pendidikan Guru Sekolah Dasar. Today we will learn about our syllabus and about greetings. Okay, welcome friends. Welcome again. Just like a confirmation about our subject. The subject is Bahasa Inggris and the code is PGSD 1142. The amount of SKS is 2. It's for Ganjil, semester Ganjil, and this one is a part of MKKP, then Department Pendidikan Guru Sekolah Dasar. The lecturer, it's me, Anelisa Rahmanian. Okay, we have a curriculum goals. I hope that after these courses, you have some skills or maybe like you can develop your skills. Students understand and can implement English skills such as structure and writing expression, speaking, English for elementary. What's the meaning structure and writing expressions? This one is about the grammar, how you can make a sentence, how you can understand a sentence. And then speaking is kind of about how you pronounce word, pronounce numbers, and also how you can express your opinion and how you can answer someone questions in English, of course. And the last one is English for elementary. Because you will teach and educate the students in the future, especially for elementary school, you have to know what kind of English that will be learned at school and elementary school. Okay, next is in-class activity. I will use the method of expository, discussion, questions, and answer. This one like we have a discussion together. Okay, it's not about I give you information, but you can share your idea or your opinion. And then there will be assignment, of course. Assignment, there are two types of assignment. The first one is individual. There are mid-task, final task, and also the task, individual task. And the second one is a group presentations. You will have to, you have to presentate something in front of the class. Okay. All right. Talking about score, final score, it's the average of all the score from mid-test, final test, and presentation, and also task. All right, we will have 16 weeks, right, in this semester. I will inform you for the first one is syllabus greeting introductions. That's we're doing now. And the second week, we have spelling alphabet and words vocabulary and pronouncing English sounds, vowels and consonant. And also on the third week, we have main words for verbs and noun. Next, we have main words for adjective and adverbs. For the fifth week, we have functional words, determiner, conjunction, pronoun, preposition, enumerator. On the sixth week, we have non-phrase. Week 7, we will learn about sentence type and also sentence forms. Okay, and after that there will be mid-test. It depends to the faculty for the schedule. I just follow them. And also the questions like from what we have learned. Okay, and after the mid-test on the ninth week, we will learn about describing things for body parts, family, fruits, and vegetables. Next, on the 10th week, it's also about describing things, but it's about job and workplaces and also hobbies. Okay, then week 11, we will learn about maps and directions. It's about how you can direct people, how you can answer if the question asks you about how to get to the mall from school. You will have to answer that. For example, like So you have to go straight and then take a pass number 7, and after that you have to go to turn right, and then there will be a building there. So you have to direct them. Okay, so you will learn about that, and after that there are opinion and apology expression. So how you can express your opinion, because there's a way to express your opinion. It's not just like you give your opinion, that's it. No, there's a way that you can give your opinion politely. And also apology expression, if we make a mistake, so you have to apologize, right? So there's a way, a polite way to apologize. Okay, on the week 13, we have a git telling story. So there will be like a story. So you have to retell story, like a storytelling. And then there will be short movies. Okay, this one I think you will be excited because we will watching. Okay, we will watching like a movie, but not a full movie, like a 2 hours movie. No, it's just like 1 hour or less. And then there will be in the final week, before the final test. So we have a presentation of short movie analysis. So besides you watch a movie, it's not just watching a movie, but you have to analyze it. Like who's the actor, how about the character, and how about the story, how about the plot of the stories, and where is the place, and what's the ending, what's the main idea of this movie, and what's a message. So you have to analyze that. Okay, and after that you have to presentate your results. This one is a group presentation, so you will not do it like by yourself, but you have to collaborate with your friends. Okay, and on the week 16 we have a final test. Okay, it's same with the mid test, like we will follow the faculty schedule for the final test. Okay. Okay, so before we start our class, our 16-week class, we have some rules, right? So the first one, you have to use English in the class or whenever and wherever you meet me, either face to face or text me. For your information, I cannot receive a call, okay? So you will need to text me. It can be on WhatsApp or maybe like a usual text message. And I will not answer your texts or your questions when you meet me if you do not use English. So you have to use English, okay? It doesn't matter if your English is not fluently or is not good, but I appreciate you if you use the English rather than you don't use English, okay? Do not be late, okay? The second one, do not be late. The tolerance is 10 minutes. So if there is like a Google meeting or maybe like we do like face-to-face meeting, so don't be late. If you are late, I'm so sorry. So you cannot attend my class, okay? The third one is do assignment before the deadline. So the question is, can I submit my assignment on the deadline? Yes, of course you can do it. That's the deadline. But then if it's like online learning, so I suggest you to submit it before deadline because it prevents about like troubleshooting or maybe error on the LMS. Okay, so I suggest you just upload your deadline, your assignment before the deadline. Okay, because if you not completed your task or your assignment, either it's a individual or group, you cannot do the mid test and the final test. Just remember about that, okay? And the last one, all the students must join English community. So there will be English community. It's a new program, but you have to involve it because your involving will be included in your score, okay? Just remember and note that, okay? All right, so For today meetings, we have introductions. Okay, so make your self introduction for 3 minutes maximum, and minimum is like a 1 minute. It's included about greetings like Assalamualaikum, good morning, hi, hello. Okay, you can use that. And then next you say your name. You can say like, okay, my name is blah blah blah, or I'm blah blah blah. Okay, so you can use whatever you want, and say your address. It could be your current address now, or maybe your town, and then the date of birth and your hobbies. I think you have more than one hobby, right? So you can say that. I mean, say all of your hobbies, and if you want, you can say why you have those hobbies. Okay, so then there will be school. It means like you say where are you from, like your high school. And next is a dreams. Dreams like what would you wanna be in the future? Like would you be a teacher, an entrepreneur, or maybe a leader? It's up to you. Just explain it. And next, there's the reason why do you study at Pendidikan Guru Sekolah Dasar FPK Unika. Why? Give me your reasons. Is that your wants, or is because your parents, or maybe it's because your last options, or maybe that's because you love teaching. So just explain the reason. Okay, and the last one is message for yourself in the future. So you you can give your message like for your career or for your life in the future. It can be like after these courses, or maybe after you graduate from this university, because I hope that when you are in the future and you watch this video again, so you will be reminded about yourself today. Okay, so how you submit it, how you upload it. Okay, so one class have to make one YouTube channel. So this YouTube channel, you can keep it after these courses, or maybe you want to delete it. It's up to you. But for now, you have to make it one. Okay, one class, one YouTube channel, and everyone have to upload your video. Okay, on your class YouTube, and then your link of your video submit it on LMS. Okay, if you cannot open the LMS, you can send me your link on an email. Maybe you can collect it, okay, with your friends and send me to my email, and upload your link in LMS before 3rd October. Okay, before 3rd October. Okay, but I think it's too short. Maybe for 5 October, okay? 5 October. So then that's all for the assignment. All right. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. So I hope that we can get along together for 16 weeks, because English is fun. It's not difficult as you think. Okay. So thank you so much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.